Hello friends, so today in this video we are going to see the complete information about the series circuit and the parallel circuit in the electrical system. So what is series circuit? First of all, let's see. So a series circuit is a type of electrical circuit where components are connected one after the another by forming a single loop, and in series circuit the components are connected sequentially. Okay, here you can see in the image also, and here the current flow through each component is same, but the voltage is getting divided among the components which are present in the circuit. And the disadvantages is that if one component fails, then the entire circuit will fall down. Okay, so now let's talk about what is the meaning of a parallel circuit. So parallel circuit is a circuit where components are connected across each other by forming a multiple paths. Here you can see in the image also. And in parallel circuit the components are connected across each other, and here the voltage is same, but the current is getting divided among each components over there. So it's all about the complete information about the series circuit and parallel circuit.